Today we're trying out this new product. It goes on lights and leaves the hair shiny. Alright guys, the fun begins. We start with our shampoo. We lather up. Make sure you're going from your edges to your ends. Get all in there. Then you want to add a detangling shampoo, perfect for curly hair kids. You know, curly hair definitely gets knotted a lot easier. With that being said, allow the conditioner to sit for about 10 minutes or to be desired and comb through. For Alicia's hair length, I use a quarter-sized amount. For a wash and go, we are simply adding a leave-in conditioner and a curl cream. Most times I use a wide tooth comb to detangle.